Hello students, we can see how to write your biozoology record. This is a PDF of your practical manual that will be uploaded in your biology tab in our website. You can just see through this. It goes like this. So general instruction is given. You can just read through the instruction. That need not go into the record. And model question paper, you can just see through the question paper. And then coming to this one, content. So this content as such you will write in your index. Okay, index column you should write as such in the same order in your record. So anyway, we will fill the index column once you start writing with your notes. Follow. So first page, right hand side, you should write the question. Identify the given animal A and write two diagnostic feature with diagram. Follow. And the notes, identification and reasons for identification. Both the things you will write towards right hand side. Left hand side you will write the heading, spongilla, draw the diagram, label it. Okay, so once you start writing, it should contain 4 side margin. All the 4 side there should be margin. You have to write the heading, underline the heading. Then draw the diagram, label the diagram. Right hand side 4-line margin. Then write the heading, underline. Then you write identification as side heading, underline, write notes for identification. As such, from this PDF you can write. Then you have to go in for reasons for identification, underline. Then you can write 4 points for reasons of identification. Follow. Next page you should make. In one page only one diagram towards left hand side and notes towards right hand side. One page, one notes only. One page, one spotter only. Don't write 2 notes or 2 diagram in the same page. Second page also same way, 4-line margin, diagram and labeling on left hand side. Right hand side you can go with your heading, underline, identification, you write it as side heading, underline. Then reasons for identification you write, underline. Then 4 points you can write for reasons for identification. I repeat, 4 points are enough for reasons for identification. If you write all the points, it is not a wrong thing. Follow. So if you can write only 4 points also, no problem. Any 4 points enough. Same way you are going to do for pleurobrachia. That will be in your third page. Likewise it goes on. One page, one diagram, identification and reasons for identification. Any 4 points. Okay. So till rat it will be for your first question. Second question, identify the given animal tissue. That you should write towards your right hand side. Then you have to make the diagram towards left hand side. Write notes. Okay, identification and notes. Follow. So here also 4 points. Maximum 4 points only are given. Till WBC. Do you follow? Please follow carefully. Till WBC you have to draw the diagram and write notes. After that there is no need of you drawing the diagram. I repeat, till WBC you have to draw the diagram and write notes. After WBC, whatever is there in the manual, you need not draw the diagram. No diagram required. After that, only notes are required. I tell you, here the next spotter you will write the question. Identify and comment on the given bone. Follow. So in that humerus bone, only identification and comments. Left hand side, no diagram required. Pelvic girdle, heading, identification, comments. All the points you please write. Rib cage, heading, identification, comments. Next you have ball and socket joint, heading, identification, comments. Only. Okay, no diagram. Next, fourth question also, identify the deficiency disease disorder. Okay, so that is what is given. For that, Addison's disease identification and only comments, no diagram required. Okay, so Marasmus disease, only identification and diagram is not required. Identification and comments you should write. Exophthalmic goiter, the same way, no diagram required. Then the next comes in fifth question, identify the sample given. Test for ammonia, only aim, materials required, solutions required, procedure and inference. Follow? So this test I will show you through the video. I will make video and I will do the test in our lab and show it to you. Okay, once you get the chance, we can do our test also. Okay, so there is nothing to be drawn or written on left hand side, only right hand side you should make everything. The determination of your blind spot also, whatever is there you copy. So and leave blind spot of my right eye, dash is given, no, you leave it as such a blank. I will make next video how to determine your blind spot. Same way you can make it, then you can do. Please listen to this carefully. Fifth question, identification of sex of cockroach. In this, reasons are not given, that you have to write from our book. Male and female cockroach tabular column is given. The same way tabular column you can draw and write, and diagram should be there in your record. Okay, diagram should be drawn. Next comes in Congaium bull, heading, identification and economic importance only, no need of drawing diagram. Aquaponics also, heading, identification and economic importance. Honeybee, heading, identification and economic importance. Bombyx mori, heading, identification and economic importance only enough. Okay, so with that your manual is over. So far whatever I have told you, I just summarize and tell you. You please listen carefully. So to start with the manual, you have to write only with the pencil. You are using only pencil in your record. No pen you must use. You should not use pen. Only pencil you should use. Follow. Next, till WBC you are drawing diagram. Then there is no need of drawing diagram. After that, only one diagram is required, that is distinguish between male and female cockroach. There you have to draw diagram, and notes you should copy from your book. I repeat, cockroach, male and female distinguish, that you have to draw diagram and copy notes from your book. Follow. So for all the test for ammonia, urea, I will do the test in our lab. I will make video and I will show you. After that you can fill and so that you will know the procedure. Follow. Then blind spot, I will make one video and show you how to do or how to find your blind spot. After that you can fill in that column. Follow. So with that your zoology record gets over. Once you complete your record, you should personally give it to me. It does not mean that you have to come and give it to me. If you are sending through your parent also, you tell it should be handed over to your respective teacher and you have to collect it on the same day. Follow. So that your record will be safe. Okay. So you can use only sharpened pencil when you are drawing the diagram. Don't draw the diagram by pressing the pencil against the record. Please draw it light. If any mistake you can find, you can erase it and you can draw it fresh. Follow? If you are going to draw it darker, if you are going to erase it, it will not be nice. Follow? So that you have to draw everything neat, and also label neat. Labeling should be towards the right hand side, to your right. Follow? And use only sharpened pencil. Don't write it very light. It should be clear and I must read that. Follow? So these are all the instructions for writing your record. If you have any doubt, you can call and clarify your doubt. If you feel that you have made some mistakes, please come and show it to me. Don't take your own rectification methods. Whatever, if anything happens, you please inform the respective teacher. Okay, so thank you, students.